Take 237.
Oh, come on.
Ready?
Don't miss! You suck. Terrible. But
So is your mom, Chris.
oh, man. Oh, man. Only if you were good this would be funny. These glasses are fogging up. Man, you're terrible! Come on, Michelle. You can do it. Come on, keep your eye on the ball. Swing! Oh, boy. You hit it like a girl. You know, where are you supposed to be on the sandlot? Oh, late, you couldn't hit the ball. So, Steve, since you can't hit the ball, how much did you pay Coach Davis? Or did you just get lucky? My eyes are... Oh, I put it on my feet. Oh, man. Good man. Nice.
All you gotta do is set it.
Look it! Come on, Slick. I thought this was your sport. Maybe you should start with golf next year. A sport that you don't have to be good at.
What about softball?
I don't think he's good enough. Oh boy. Bitch! Oh man, I'm dying over there.